Motivation comes from what you believe in, what you stand for, what you want, and realizing what it takes to get it. And in getting it, become a meaningful impact to the rest of the world with your positivity and smiles. Greetings, lovely people of Ghana. Ghana this year, I am 27 years of age and hails from Chirapatre in the Ashanti region, which is the third largest region amongst all the 10 administrative regions in Ghana. I had my senior higher education at Tefia Kobi Ampim Girls and further at Sinyane Polytechnic. I am currently working with the Dihok Footwear Division Limited, known to all as the Kumasi Shoe Factory, as the stores manager for finished product. Reading, cooking, and listening to music are my hobbies. I am a confident and a bubbly person who loves to interact with intelligent, positive dreamers and doers, and more open to constructive ideas and advice. Ghana's Most Beautiful is the only pageantry which has made it a point since its inception to empower, add values, and enhance on the personalities of young ladies who takes part, and offers you a bigger platform to embark on your long-awaited passions and burning desires, which we term as the project. The health of every child is globally essential, and Ghana is not an exception. HIV and AIDS is a disease of the human immune system caused through infections. And this disease, according to the Ministry of Health, has been the leading cause of death in children aged under 13 since 2005. And through no fault of theirs, these children got infected mainly through the mother-to-child transmission. That's the late stages in pregnancy, delivery, and breastfeeding. The number of orphan children living with HIV and AIDS are rising dramatically, and with over 20,000 patients in the country, adequate treatment and care still remains inaccessible, which is why I am embarking on this journey with the help of your constant votes and prayers to reach out to these children, to introduce the antiretroviral therapy, organize the psychosocial benefits of mentoring programs to enhance on their social development. And with this burning desire, I'm pleading with all Ghanaians to keep voting for me, to keep me active in this competition. Asante Mai, Ghana this year, Miss Remo, Samun Tomame, Momwame, Naminya Yunaso, and Famuamo Fra, when ya HIV ni AIDS in Yarwanibi. If we say it's all way, and yet Chijinafwa, and it's all. I am Abna Boatma, representing the Ashanti region. Abna for you, Abna for Ghana.